Hello everyone, I'm Pooja and welcome to my channel Pooja Vlogs. This COVID-19 lockdown made me think something more different than all the time. So I started this YouTube channel and I want you to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video without subscribing, and make sure you click the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get my videos whenever I post immediately. So today I'm going to tell you a small story about a man and his favorite donkey. So let's go into the story now. You know, the story is about a man and his favorite donkey, right? You know, everyone will have their own favorites, like some will like dogs, some like cats, etc. etc. Likewise, he has his favorite donkey. You know, he takes it for walk or for grazing every morning and in the evening, daily. It has become his daily routine. One day he couldn't find his donkey anywhere. He kept searching. While searching, he finds his donkey in a deep cliff. You know what's a cliff, right? It's a steep. He found his donkey there, struggling. He tried helping it to get it out, but he couldn't. He tried so hard to get the donkey out to the normal land, but he couldn't make it. So he decided to bury the donkey there alive, And he started pouring soil into the cliff. But the donkey didn't give up. It shook the sand away, it stepped on it, it started coming up. Whenever he poured soil, the donkey was shaking it up and coming up. So like he kept more soil, it started coming more up. Like that, he was pouring soil, it was coming up, and finally by noon time it reached to the land. It was almost there on the normal surface where we all stand and live. And by noon time it came up and started grazing the green pasture. This is so simple, like it's so easy. See, the donkey had a problem and the man was trying to help it out. And when the man gave up, the donkey, which wasn't the problem, it didn't give up. Which basically tells us, see, problem is our own problem. If someone comes and tries to help you, they can help you, but to some extent. But you are the own one who have to think about it, who have to find solutions for it at each and every point of time and everywhere. So the thing you have to learn is, like, not only you, everyone have to learn, you, me, everyone, is like problems are not permanent. You can find solutions for it, like just simple. You can find solutions. We should never give up. You know, the problem may be hard or maybe hardest also. You don't give up. See, giving up is not solution. You have to struggle, you have to understand, and you have to try, and then only you come out of the problem. Here the story tells you, see, donkey was in the problem and it tried, it came out, it started grazing green pasture. Green pasture is like a good one, like how we do. We don't graze green pasture. So we should never give up. Keep trying, and at a point of time, you will find the solution. And when you come out of the problem, it's like heaven. You know, when you get rid of something which is bothering you, which is irritating you, obvious it is, you feel so good. You feel like you are in heaven. You feel you are on cloud 9. Yeah. So everybody have to solve their small problems. It may be small or big, whatever. Stop seeing it from one angle. Start looking it from everywhere. See, what I wanted to tell everybody is, like, problems are for everybody. Everybody will have their own problems. So you have to think about it, you have to understand it, and you have to solve the problem. See, nobody is going to come to you or ask what's your problem, and they're not going to solve it. Nobody is going to solve your problems for you. So if you have something which is bothering you or which is irritating you, getting rid of that problem will really make you feel happy or really make you feel pleasant. So like you have to solve your own problems, and after solving the problem you'll reach into great heights. You'll reach great heights. That's an obvious thing. When you start your journey, there are many things, many struggles, many ups and downs in between, but after crossing all that, you will find your own real destination. So that is what I want to tell everybody from the story. Like, this is the main theme, or whatever we say from the story, what I told you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.